The Earth's movements. Well, there are two major movements that we need to be concerned about. One of them is rotation, and the other one is revolution. Now, students are frequently getting these two words confused, rotation and revolution. So let me show you. So here's a way that we can try to remember and keep it straight. So rotation is the Earth spinning on its axis, okay? The Earth is spinning on its axis, and it gives us day and night. How about that? So we can take the word rotation, and we get the word day and night at a rotation. That should help us remember that the Earth is spinning on its axis, and it's spinning, 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 and that gives us, and that's going to give us day and night. Okay? Now it's very important to remember that the sun is our heater. The sun keeps the Earth warm. If it weren't for the sun, we'd be a giant popsicle here. Everything would be frozen. Even the air would be like snow on the ground. There wouldn't be anything to breathe, water. It'd just be terrible. So during the day, the temperature goes up. Okay? The heater's on. The heat turns on. And at night, the heater turns off, so it starts to cool off, so the temperature drops. So this rotation, the rotation which gives us day and night, also affects our daily temperature. It goes up in the daytime and it goes down to nighttime, because if you think about it, the coldest time of the day is right in the morning, just before the sun comes back up and starts to warm us up again. So when you think about it, the summertime, which is the hottest time of the year for us, the sun stays up the longest, the heat stays on the longest, so to speak, so we get really, really warm, hot days. In the winter, the days aren't as long, so the heat doesn't stay on as long, so we get cooler and cooler and cooler until the shortest days of the year when it gets cold. Now, the thing we need to realize or figure out, what causes this? So we know what rotation is now, right? Rotation gives us day and it gives us night. All right? But now, what about revolution? Okay, hang on and we'll talk about it next. Revolution. Well, what is revolution? What does revolution give us? Well, revolution takes 1 year, so that's what revolution is. Revolution takes 1 year, and revolution is an orbit around the sun. One trip around the sun is a revolution. Revolution takes 1 year, and that's for one orbit. So I think we can pretty much keep that one straight. Revolution takes 1 year, that's the orbit around the sun, and it goes. So it takes 1 year for the Earth to orbit the sun. Pretty cool, huh? Now, if we figure the orbiting together, and then we figure the day and the night, then that's going to give us a whole explanation on what causes something else we're going to discuss in another little lesson called the seasons.